but I feel vindicated that the posters have come down. So there was a little bit of maybe self-righteousness that was involved here. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to respond to a Reddit post about how Young Living got kicked out of the YMCA. What? Well, as you can see here in this post, which I'll have a link in the description below you can check out as well, it's titled Update MLM Young Living at the Y. And there's actually a original post here that they posted, and then this is the update of that. And so they go on to say, So I put in my big girl panties and confronted our YMCA corporate about the use of Young Living thieves spray at my local YMCA kids care room. I originally emailed YMCA of America, which does not own or operate local YMCAs. Oops. But they forwarded my info to the local corporate office. Between making the first post and writing the email, they added more Young Living signs and put up a poster about a and norovirus outbreak. I also found that the YL rep's business card in the common room, and she's the same lady as one of the caregivers in the kids' room. Conflict of interest? I think not. Here's what I sent to corporate with location identification removed. Hi there, I recently sent this email to the YMCA of the US corporate email address, and I was informed I should have sent it to you over at the local YMCA corporate office, and that they forwarded this on to you. So if you're receiving this email twice, I apologize. I just wanted to make sure someone was aware of what's going on at my Y. I am a member of the local Y. My 3-year-old son attends the preschool program there. I recently became concerned when I saw the attached sign posted up near the kids' care room. This is where parents drop their children off while they work out. It states that instead of using a proven disinfectant, something like diluted bleach, they are using a product from Young Living, a multi-level marketing program. We have had flu and norovirus outbreaks in our area recently, as you can see by the attached photo next to the Young Living flyer, showing that the health department has put our state on watch, basically. I can't find any independent research verifying the claims that thieves spray kills all the things this flyer claims it kills. In fact, the only research I found about it was from Young Living itself. I know each state is different, but my state says that preschool and kindergarten programs should be using bleach or an EPA-approved product. 2.8, the program, okay. 2.8, the program shall use appropriate bleach solution or other Environmental Protection Agency approved products for the routine cleaning and sanitizing of all surfaces. See attached PDF. I can't find thieves spray on any EPA approved lists. I realize my son attends the preschool, which, while just across the hall from the kids' care room, may have different cleaning standards, but I now feel uncomfortable leaving him at the kids' care room at any time. Alright, so I'm just gonna, kind of chime in a little bit here and say that whenever there's a supplement specifically that is for health or wellness, it's so important to use the company's compliance wordage so that there aren't any drug claims made, so that there's no implications that there's drug claims made, and to make sure that you have the appropriate synonyms and replacement words for things like this. And so a lot of the words that could have been used instead or supports the immune system or promotes health and well-being. There is a list that my company offers that allows you kind of like a little cheat sheet of words to replace to make sure you're in compliance with the FDA. And obviously this individual posted flyers at a time where they either didn't read their companies with Young Livings, or that wasn't available, or maybe they just needed some more training on compliance when it comes to using appropriate non-drug claims. So that would have actually resolved this issue because now this individual who reported them to the Y is basically saying, I'm looking for research to support your claims, which there is information on PubMed when you just search essential oils, but it's so important to just have the marketing material be compliant, basically. That's the long story short. That will resolve this issue, and that would have been it. But we'll continue reading here. Not only is this product likely not cleaning the rooms, toys, and sports equipment, but this just looks like bad sales pitch for someone's business on Y letterhead. Alright, so the products can clean when it comes to essential oils. They have different cleaning powers, but it just kind of depends on what specific plants are used and things like that. So yeah, there is a lot of information on PubMed. Like I said, if you go to essential oils and you type that in on PubMed, you'll find lots of fact-based information and studies on the effectiveness of essential oils. I'm contacting corporate because there are several of these signs up at my Y, and I'm not sure who approved them, and I want to be sure that someone hears my concerns while not taking anything out against my son. Okay. Please let me know if you have any questions for me. I just want to make sure the Y is a clean and safe place for my son and neighbors' children. So it sounds like she was against, number one, MLMs, so that's a separate issue. The other issue is the claims that were made on that flyer, and probably a third issue is the approval of that flyer, or, you know, being able to have that up next to or by her son and those products being used or not. So there's a few different issues going on. I think each one has to be, you know, tackled individually. I can't control somebody's belief system about MLMs or network marketing companies or direct sales or word of mouth marketing or referral marketing. This is on an anti-MLM Reddit thread here, so it is what it is. But when it comes to the effectiveness of essential oils, that can be found on, like I said, PubMed. Just search for essential oils, and if they don't like their son, you know, using that or being exposed to those, it's more natural and safer than the other products out there, but I can understand if she questions the effectiveness of it. But there's, again, information out there. When a situation like this, I understand it's your child, you want to protect them, but we have to suspend disbelief about a product just because we have a cognitive bias against it or a cognitive bias for what we are used to using. So we really need to, like, again, search for the facts and find the information that supports and also that doesn't support our position so that we can be more objective. I mean, you can still have your own opinion about products, but it's just important to combat that with facts, basically. She then goes on to say, I never got an official response, but when I dropped my kid off at school this morning, all of the signs had been removed, so somebody might have got an email down the chain and removed it. So there's still a diffuser in the common area. That honestly isn't as big a concern for me. Are they still using thieves? Question mark. I doubt that the YL rep would waste product if she didn't also get to advertise it, but I feel vindicated that the posters have come down. So there was a little bit of a maybe self-righteousness that was involved here because of her own, you know, predisposition or presupposition to being against MLMs and essential oils or, you know, Young Living. But anyways, it says TLDR, my Y was advertising that they were using YL to clean the kids' room. I emailed corporate, advertisements have come down. Edit, formatting. Second edit, thanks to the amazing people in the sub for all your encouragement. I needed y'all to push me to do this. This Reddit anti-MLM is the real MVP. So she's just kind of praising all of the, you know, support that she gets from all the comments of people like, yeah, or, you know, chiming in. But anyways, compliance is huge. I'll have links in the description below where you can check out how to be compliant with, you know, any claim that's made so that it doesn't fall into the drug claims. The most simple one is, you know, this product does not heal, treat, prevent, cure any type of disease, and you should consult your healthcare professional for, you know, additional advice, basically. Something along those lines. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of, you'll see the disclaimer on pretty much every supplement that is taken internally for health and wellness. But yeah, that definitely should have been factored in, and I'll have links in below so you can check that out. But yeah, I think she overreacted a little bit, to be honest, and I think that she needs to do her own, like, informational research. Just as much as she looked at what the EPA says is okay, she needs to look up on PubMed. Maybe she doesn't know about it, I get it, but still, we need to do our due diligence and research how to be more objective and come to accurate conclusions about MLMs and about Young Living and about other essential oil companies out there, whether they're retail-based or network marketing-based companies. And I think that would help to create a more positive environment for finding solutions for people's health, whether it be at the Y, the home, the office, wherever. Other than that, hey, that concludes today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and again, check out the links below so you can see how to be compliant in your own language or see what maybe she could have used as resources to, you know, put up marketing materials in the future. And that way you kind of have a little bit more awareness of that in your own life too, to make sure that people aren't making drug claims when they're, you know, using supplements or essential oils, and that'll be key. All right, and other than that, hey, I'll see you in the next video.